The goose that laid gold eggs. In a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a humble farmer named John and his wife, Mary. One day, they discover a magical goose that lays golden eggs, leading them to prosperity. Eventually, they face the perilous consequences of greed, ultimately teaching them valuable lessons about contentment and generosity. They had a small farm with a few animals, including chickens, cows, and one very special goose. This goose was unlike any other, for every morning it laid a single, perfect golden egg. At first, John and Mary couldn't believe their eyes when they saw the first golden egg in the goose's nest. They took the egg to the village jeweler, who confirmed it was pure gold and paid them handsomely for it. Each day, the goose continued to lay one golden egg, and John would sell it in the village market. Soon, the farmer and his wife were able to buy new clothes, repair their old barn, and enjoy delicious meals. Their neighbors marveled at their good fortune, and John and Mary were known as the luckiest couple in the village. They shared their wealth, helping those in need and contributing to community projects. Life was good, and John and Mary were content with their daily golden egg. However, as time passed, John began to wonder about the goose's magical ability. If the goose can lay one golden egg, he thought, surely it must be filled with many more. This idea grew in his mind, consuming his thoughts day and night. One evening, John shared his idea with Mary. If we open the goose, he said, we could have all the gold at once. Mary was hesitant at first, but John's excitement was contagious, and she eventually agreed. That night, neither of them could sleep, imagining the mountains of gold they would soon possess. The next morning, after the goose laid its daily egg, John approached it with trembling hands. With a heavy heart but blinded by greed, he took a sharp knife and cut open the poor goose. To their horror, they found no gold inside, only blood and organs like any ordinary goose. The realization of what they had done hit them like a thunderbolt. Their precious goose, the source of their good fortune, was gone forever. John and Mary wept bitterly, overwhelmed by guilt and the consequences of their greed. The next day, there was no golden egg to sell at the market. As days passed, their savings dwindled, and they had to return to their old, simple way of life. The villagers, who once admired them, now whispered about their foolishness. John and Mary learned a painful lesson about the dangers of greed and impatience. They realized that the steady income from one egg a day had been a true blessing. In their sorrow, they vowed to be content with what they had and never let greed cloud their judgment again. Though they could never undo their mistake, John and Mary worked hard to rebuild their lives. They started growing vegetables and selling them at the market, slowly regaining the respect of their neighbors. Years later, John would tell this story to the village children, warning them about the perils of greed. The tale of the golden goose became a legend in the village, reminding everyone to appreciate what they have. John and Mary never forgot the goose and the valuable lesson it taught them. They lived the rest of their days humbly, grateful for each small blessing that came their way. The memory of the golden goose inspired them to be kind and generous, even with the little they had. In time, they found that true happiness came not from gold, but from contentment and helping others. The village prospered as people remembered the lesson of the golden goose, working together and sharing what they had. And so, the legacy of the golden goose lived on, teaching generations the importance of gratitude and the dangers of unchecked greed. John and Maria's story became a beloved fable, reminding all who heard it to think carefully before acting on impulse. In the end, the village learned that the real treasure was not gold, but the wisdom to appreciate life's daily gifts. Please subscribe to this channel to get countless stories in future.